What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook Spinelli. I am the self-proclaimed wing king, and yes, the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Yes, I am the prince of lemon pepper. So click that link above me and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best lemon pepper wings on the planet. So respect the lemon pepper. Now, in today's video, I got a special recipe. I'm gonna show you guys how to make slap your mama wings. Now, before I get started, I'm just gonna say, I don't recommend anybody slapping their mama. I don't recommend anybody thinking about slapping their mama. And if you slap your mama because these wings so good, don't blame Spinelli, but they are that good. So guys, I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Right here, I've changed my brand of chicken. As you guys can see, I'm using the Whole Foods organic cut chicken wings. Two reasons why I changed is number one is the pricing is better, and number two, you get a little bit more, you get more wings in it. So I'm gonna use this for a while. I was in Whole Foods one day and I saw this and I was like, oh man, these are better price and you get more. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. So here I got honey, butter, that Slap Your Mama original blend. Guys, you have to get some of this Slap Your Mama. You have to get this seasoning. This is some good stuff. Then I got the Slap Your Mama, the hot blend, and then you Slap Your Mama pepper sauce, hot sauce. So these are the ingredients we're gonna use. It's not many, guys, but this is a delicious recipe. I'll see you in a bit. All right, so now I've measured out our ingredients and cut and cleaned our chicken. So here I got about 16 pieces of chicken. Right here I have a half a cup of honey. I have a fourth of a cup of butter. I have a tablespoon of the original Slap Your Mama blend. Right here I have a half a cup of the Slap Your Mama hot sauce. Now, you can adjust this depending on what your spice level is like. So I'm gonna start off with a half a cup. You can use a fourth of a cup, or you can use the whole bottle, which is 5 ounces. So this is about 4 ounces. And right here I have a tablespoon of the hot season blend of the Slap Your Mama. So this is what we have. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step. All right. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get these bad babies seasoned up with the original blend of your Slap Your Mama. So this is about a tablespoon, as I mentioned, and we're just going to lightly sprinkle this over here like that. And we're just gonna give it a good mix like this. And again, this is a tablespoon, depending on how much chicken you have. You can adjust it, or if you don't want, trying to cut down on your salt level, you could definitely use less than a tablespoon. You could use a teaspoon. But I do recommend you put something on your chicken. So this is enough for me for the chicken. All I need is this tablespoon. This is going to be great because at the end of the day, what we're going to do, we're going to have that Slap Your Mama sauce that we're going to toss it in. So a tablespoon of this is enough. So this is what we have. So let's move on. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get these bad babies set up to put in the oven. So I'm gonna spray this with cooking spray. I've already lined it with aluminum foil. You guys know that this is just for easy cleanup. So that's why I line it with aluminum foil, and also making sure your chicken doesn't stick to your pan. So I'm gonna start adding our chicken pieces on our grates. And I typically put mine skin side down, about a ½ inch apart. I don't like them to be too close because you want that air to circulate around your chicken evenly, so you can get that even cook. That's why I don't stick them side by side. You want to have a little space in between them so that that heat can circulate around them while it's cooking. It's nothing like having even cooked chicken all the way around. All right, guys, so this is what we have right now. So what I'm going to do now, I've already preheated our oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to let these bad babies cook in here for about 45 to 50 minutes. Guys, always adjust it depending on your desire. I like mine crispy, so I'm going to keep them in here for 45 to 50 minutes. Again, I don't know how hot your oven gets, so you have to determine that. But after halfway through the cooking process, we're going to flip them over, allow them to cook on the other side for the remainder of the time. Again, we want that even cook all the way around the chicken, okay? I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so now we're about halfway through the cooking process, so we're going to start preparing our Slap Your Mama sauce. So I have my pot here, it's heating up. Go ahead and add my butter, and we're gonna let that butter melt down just a little bit before we start adding the rest of the ingredients. All right, so now it's time to add our hot sauce, our hot blend of the Slap Your Mama. If you want to kick it up a bit, you can add 2 tablespoons. If you want to kick it down a bit, you could just add a teaspoon. Then we're going to lastly add our honey. And this is going to sweeten it up a little bit, so it's going to take that kick away from it, but it's still going to have a kick, but it's not going to be as sharp as a kick, because that butter and that honey is going to dial it down just a little bit, which, you know, that's pretty much what you want, unless you want that, you know, that really, really, really hot chicken wing, if you're looking for that. But here we're looking for a spicy mix with a little sweetness in this particular recipe, guys. But it's gonna be excellent. You're still gonna get that kick that you're looking for, but it's not gonna be as direct as if you didn't add the honey. So we're gonna bring this up to boil. Then we're gonna turn it down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. All right, so now it looks like we are at a boil, so I'm gonna go ahead and dial it down a little bit and bring it to a simmer. And we're gonna let this thing simmer for about 10 minutes. And after that 10 minutes, we're gonna transfer it to a dish, and we're gonna wait till the wings are done, okay? All right, guys, so our 10 minutes is done. This is what we got after 10 minutes. The sauce has thickened. It's looked pretty good, so it's ready. We're gonna turn that bad baby off, grab us a bowl, and we're going to pour our sauce in here until our wings are done. All right. This is what we got, guys. And our wings, look like we have about 3 more minutes, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So this is what we have after 50 minutes in the oven. Let's take a look at these. Look at that. Nice crisp to it. You don't believe me? You can hear that crisp on there, babies. I'm telling you, these bad babies ready. All right, so we're going to take them out, put them in this bowl. Now, guys, if you want a little bit more crispier than that, you can sit them under the broiler for about another 3 to 5 minutes. And that's what we have right there. All right, this is what we have. Let me move this out the way. Get that there. All right, so now we have these bad babies in here. We're gonna take our fresh, hot Slap Your Mama sauce, and we're going to spoon it over our chicken like this. Yeah, you could pour it all over here if you want to. It's totally up to you. And what we're gonna do right now, baby, is we're gonna do a little shake it, bake it, bake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, shake it, bake it. All right, we're gonna remove it. Guys, this is what we have here. So I'm gonna let you know what I'm going to do next. So stay with me. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put these bad babies, and you don't have to do this, you can eat them just like this, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them back on here with the sauce on them. You know, you just stick them in here any way you like. And I'm going to sit them under the broiler while this sauce is on here. And I'm going to broil them for another, maybe about 3 minutes. I'm gonna keep my eyes on it because you don't want to burn it. But I just want to bake this sauce into the wings. You could eat them exactly like they are. Look at that. That looks great. I mean, you can eat it exactly like that, but I'm going to throw it back into the broiler. It's going to give it let that sauce cook into it, and then we're going to bring it back out, and we're going to dip it once again. Guys, trust the Wing King. I got you. I'll be right back. All right, guys, see what I'm talking about? These are the wings, 2 to 3 minutes under the broiler. Take a look at that, guys. This is why I wanted to put them back under the broiler. Gives a little bit more of that color. It also cooked that sauce into the wing. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get these bad babies plated up, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Slap your mama chicken wings. This looks delicious. But before, again, I'm gonna tell you guys, I do not recommend anybody slapping their mama. I'm telling you, I don't recommend it. So don't make these chicken wings write a check your ass won't be able to cash, okay? All right, so let's get back into these wings. Guys, amazing recipe. Absolutely amazing. Take a look at that. Really, really simple, really, really easy. Guys, if you never had this slap your mama sauce, I'm telling you, you have to have that in your cabinet. You want that slap your mama. It's a Cajun seasoning. Very, very good. The link is in the video description. If you need this right here, you can purchase it from Amazon, or if you got a Walmart, sometimes Walmart carry it. I did get mine from Amazon. I have seen it in Walmart though. The ingredients and the measurements are all in the video description below. So guys, check that out. Also, if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like button. Also, if you're on your desktop, you can see a button under the video that says applaud. Click that applaud button and tell your boy Spinelli, or just show your boy Spinelli how much you like these good wing recipes, guys. Guys, this is delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite for you while we're here. I like this one here. And one thing I like about these whole food chicken wings, they're small. I love my chicken wings to be small like that. I don't like those big chicken wings that look like turkey wings. Oh man, I can't eat those. Let me try this out. Guys, if my mama was here and I bit into that, I'd hug her. I'm not slapping my mama, guys. All right? So, and until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, we always respect the lemon pepper, even though this is slap your mama. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and I am out. Peace.